Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Live. Get a couple things set up and then we're ready to go. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades, get caught in the chop, blow your account, whatever it is. Let me know in the chat. I specifically said yesterday. Days like yesterday are the days where people blow accounts because, oh my God, because people get stuck in the chop and they keep forcing trades. Guys, if we look at QQQ, and I'll admit yesterday I was completely wrong. I really thought that the market was going to push yesterday because we had that nice bull flag breakout right here. Market just got nailed yesterday. So days like yesterday where we're chopping, we sat in this range from like 1050 all the way until the end of the day. And I can 100% guarantee you that people took stupid trades based off of this price action. Oh, it's bottoming out. Let me get into a trade. Let's, get calls. It only pops, a little 30, 40 cents, and then it's back down, and then it chops for the rest of the day. And then what ends up happening, you get stopped out. But yeah, I was wrong yesterday. I'll admit it. Everything I was watching was bullish and market tanked. Oh, well. That's part of the market. Anyways, let me pull up the weekly watch list. We have FOMC today. There's the weekly watch list. Bingo. Your TOS dropped below 25K. Well, did you take positions you weren't supposed to be taking? Did you oversize? Thought that. Oh, QQQ. Apparently QQQ's got a 1 hour squeeze. Yep, bingo. Bingo. There we go. Perfect. Anyways, so real quick, as always, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 140 people in here, only 43 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes. And if you guys are new, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure to click that subscribe button. And yeah, let's do this. Hey, happy birthday. Mine is November 6th, so in 4 days, it's my birthday. Yep, I actually bought 2 of the AMD calls. I have the 60 calls on my Lotto account. So fingers crossed it can hold up. I'll take it. Anyways, let's start from the top of the list and then we'll go from there. Good morning, everybody. Channel members, Don, Paul, Chuck. Who else we got in here? Larry, Jeffrey, Don. Greatly appreciate you guys. Airbnb smoked off our earnings. Daily squeeze fired down. It's basically sitting at 100. Don't really care about this. Going. AMD actually looked really good in the pre-market. I was looking at it. Of course I am. If it actually gives the entry, then yeah, last FOMC, it did not give the entry, so I didn't trade it. But every other FOMC, it's been good. Let's see. Good old AMD, still sitting in the buy zone, or was sitting in the buy zone. Nice little pump. Maybe a bounce like 61.50 or a break above 64. I'd be interested. I don't know what they actually reported. Like, I don't know if the numbers were good, but had a nice positive reaction to the upside. Nice. I'm from Baltimore County. Good old Maryland boys up in here. Wow, Che. Well, I guess I'm not getting my swing. That sucks. Anyways, Che, skip that. Queen. We'll see. Hopefully we can get the DKS swing. Hopefully. Come on. There we go. I mean, Coin's got a way to go. It would have to crack above 65. Again, make sure you guys running up the like button. We got 182 people in here, 75 likes. Remember, 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Let's see. Chevron, 1 hour. squeeze, 4-hour squeeze, hit the 127 extent, or no, the 1618 extension that we talked about previously in what was it, Sunday's video. Fell 4 cents short, and now we're back down here. So honestly, not really interested in this. Skip over that. So far, we got AMD. That's it. MOS, looking for the swing there. Hopefully we can get that soon. It's pretty much been wicking off of that trend line. SQ. Broke above that symmetrical triangle, had a nice little pump, and then it dumped. Don't care about that. TD, looking for the swing. Tesla. All right, so Tesla still has that 4-hour squeeze. It still looks daily squeeze. I'd be interested if Tesla got above 229. 30-minute squeeze. Yeah, 229. Let's watch Tesla. Tesla. Beautiful. Walmart. I think that fell apart yesterday. Yeah, that fell apart. And then ZI. They report soon. I like this swing trade setup. Oh, they did report. Cool. Smoked. Demolished. All right, no ZI swing. Go ahead, invalidate all of my swings. I greatly appreciate it. Alrighty, so we are squeezing everywhere. 10-minute squeezes, a few 15s, a lot of 1 hour, a few 30s, a few 40s, and then a few on the daily. It looks like NASDAQ is squeezing on the daily, but QQQ is not. Interesting. Start with Apple. Apple looks like crap. The other thing is yesterday, if you guys are in Team Bull, you heard me say it, is Tesla was the only stock that was looking strong once the market opened. But all the big tech names, Apple, Microsoft, Google, they all looked super weak. And I was like, okay, well, SPY kind of looks like it wants to go up, but QQQ looks very, very, very weak. And the top holdings in QQQ are also the top holdings in SPY. So that kind of hinted that the market was going to pull. But yeah, Apple doesn't look good. AMD, we're watching that. Yeah, it's also FOMC day. Possible Amazon reject at 98.50. I'd be interested in that. A nice little reject. Amazon. Also, feel free to ask any questions. Now, if you're in the earnings and your options are deep in the money, you always sell at market open. Yeah, SPY is the S&P 500. I mean, BABA doesn't look too bad. It broke above yesterday's high. I don't really trade BABA though. Is there even liquidity? Yes, there is. Moves $4 a day. Okay, maybe BABA will go on the list today. We'll see. Costco. Nope. Looks like crap. Google. Looks like crap. Meta. For some reason, Meta had a nice little pump yesterday. I dropped the watch list in the chat once it's done. Meta not interested in. Microsoft. Same thing. We're kind of just like in this range. I think my bounce on AMD is like 61.50. Oh, Nvidia looks really good. I'm liking these squeezes on Nvidia. Nvidia. Ah, I see. Okay. All right, QQQ. If it breaks below 274, could see more downside, maybe a reject 276. We're starting to fall below the moving averages. Let's see something. No, cuts through the price action. We'll see with QQQ. That squeezing has me interested. QQQ. Roku, don't care about Shopify, don't care about SPY. Also in a 1 hour squeeze. So the level that I am watching on SPY very closely is going to be 382.27 and then 380.27 for a possible bounce. As you can see, we take this recent low to this high up here. That's where we get the 61.8. I also think we had confluence. We bounced right off of that 50% yesterday. That was the low. Yeah, so I'm going to watch this 382.27 and 380.27 for a possible bounce. But 1 hour looks pretty weak. It's based off the TTM squeeze, red dots, red or orange dots. Obviously, SPY and QQQ always on the list, and then we got Tesla. Hey, thank you for supporting and getting the book. Speaking of the book, as you guys know, I always gotta just throw it out there that my new book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is on Amazon. So if you guys do want to check it out, here is the link. It is 450 pages and it goes through my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. 5 out of 5 reviews. It was just #1 yesterday on Amazon. So here's the link right there if you guys want to check out the book. But yeah, SPY 1 hour squeeze. Technically, we're still stacked up on the 4 hour and the daily. I would just really like to see a bounce. So I know right off the bat, I want to watch AMD and Nvidia. Yeah, so like 61.50 is the area I would like to watch. Break above 63.9, bounce at 61.6. Any SMAs blocking? Nope. Oh, actually, AMD's got a it's got a gap on the daily time frame. Break above 64.03. We have a daily gap all the way up to 67.66. So if we want, that'd be a little high risk. Yeah, I'd say 64.03 is going to be the spot. If you want to be really risky, you can look at 63.9. I prefer that 64.03 level, though. What a person's pivots say. That is not the chart I want. There's person's pivots. Yep, 65.49. Oh, wait, no. Keep that white. 66.52. Yeah, it's got room if it goes. Here's the gap I'm talking about. Here to here. Cool. Ascending triangle on SPY. I'll look at it. AMD interested above 64.03 for a possible daily gap fill. Other price targets equal 60, 65.49, 66.52, 67.66. Also looking for a possible bounce at 61.6. Boom. There's AMD. How many likes we got? We got 150 likes yet? Oh, you guys are slacking today. We got 228 people and only 118 likes. Need you guys running up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. And again, I guarantee not all of you are subscribed to the channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Lately, it's been 8:20, but give or take a few minutes. Anyways, Tesla. That is not Tesla. There we go. I don't know. I'm kind of like both ways on Tesla. This 4-hour squeeze could be pretty big if we actually fire up. I'd say 229. 229 is the level on Tesla. Amazon. Yeah, I'd say if Amazon could pump up to like 98.50, look for a possible reject. I'm not going to put that one out though. Get our baby Nvidia up. $138.2 is the magical number. $38.2, $139. We got a nice little daily gap fill here to here. Yep. Nvidia it is. Nvidia in a 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Orange dots on the 1 hour. Looking for a break above 138.24 calls. Price target equal 139.25, 140.31, 140.68, and then 142. Boom, there's Nvidia. QQQ, are we at 150 likes yet? Oh, we need 4 more. You guys are close. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking on QQQ today. If we crack below 274, the odds of this 1 hour squeeze firing down are very, very high. But, I mean, I really wouldn't be too interested in the upside until we start, get above, I would say, like 277.2. So we came up. We're forming shoulder number 2 on the head and shoulders. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we have this inverse head and shoulders down here at the bottom of this downtrend. Shoulder 1, head, and then we came up and now we're forming shoulder number 2. So we rejected the neckline last week, pretty much to a T. The thing is with QQQ, it just has to maintain 272. And is that the level we're at? Hold on. No, so it has to maintain 272. If it starts breaking below 272, that's not going to be good. Actually, no. Yeah, 272, my bad. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm kind of mixed with QQQ today. We do have that 1 hour squeeze though, so I would pay attention to that. SPY, I'm just really looking for 382. QQQ and SPY, both in 1 hour squeezes. Watching very closely. If the market pulls, I'll look for puts, pump for calls. I'm in the middle on direction today on SPY and QQQ. Make sure you guys are running up the reactions in my channel. Oh yeah, we did we have 8:30 news? Was it the ADP? I don't know. So it goes in intervals of 2.5, doesn't it? Unless they changed it. Yeah, once it starts getting above 150, it goes in intervals of 2.5. That's why I don't trade Apple. I mean, if the setup's there on SPY and QQQ, I'll trade it. It's just, there's more, I see more direction in AMD and NVIDIA. Baba. Smoked. Okay, well, we'll take Baba off. Forget you. All right, let's do Tesla. If the market could pump, I think Tesla could, it could really, really go. Made a video yesterday on what I think is going to happen today in FOMC. $230. I mean, it's got the room. Definitely has room to the upside. We just got to get above there. If it slips up off this 4 hour 21, 4 hour squeeze, more than likely going to fire down. Tesla is going to be TBA. To be announced. Come on, AMD. I need you to pump a little more for me. Let's maximize these contracts. So SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, AMD. That's really NVIDIA and AMD. Those are my favorite today. If they fall apart, SPY and QQQ it is. Don't care about Airbnb. Yes, I do. Thank you. Oh, I got so close to that bounce. AMD, yes I do. 6403. Bingo. Man, we did not get a single new subscriber today. I guarantee all 260 of you are not subscribed. But real quick, again, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. 450 pages, A through Z guide on my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. So make sure you guys check it out. The link is right there. Let's see, 50 moving average and 8 and 9 EMA on daily. 382 are 8 and 8 valid on daily. What do you mean? Is 8 and 8? Ooh, SPX was squeezing at the end of the day. Okay. But yeah, 382, mark 382.27. And hold on. Main bounce levels I'm watching is 382.27 and 380.27 on SPY. Boom. Huh. What is this new point thing that they're doing on Amazon? I don't understand it. No, the actual announcement comes out at 2, and then Jerome Powell speaks at 2:30. I believe he speaks today. He should be. Check this economic calendar real quick. Yeah, 2:30. FOMC announcement 2, Jerome Powell 2:30. Yeah, the 8 and 9 EMA, it all depends on the time frame that you identify the setup. You just apply the same moving average rules. So if I find a setup on the weekly, I'm going to use the 8 EMA and take the rules and put it onto the weekly, if that makes sense. If I identify a setup on the 5-minute, I just apply the 8 EMA rules to the 5-minute. Shares. Maybe the pennies with Dumpster. I'm not too big on equity. Alrighty. Let's drop the watch list for everybody. I'm sure we have 150 likes. Yes, we do. 166. All right, so none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. And as always, none of these setups are guaranteed. Remember, yesterday I was watching everything to the upside. Market got absolutely smacked. So if that's the case and nothing goes according to plan, you simply do not take a trade. It is that easy. There's a SPY levels. Bingo. But yeah, really, AMD, NVIDIA, and SPY and QQQ, that's really all I like today. Remember, it's FOMC. Typically with FOMC, we don't make the biggest of moves leading into the FOMC announcement. So be careful, trade safe, trade smart. No, I am not watching anything for a butterfly yet. I haven't really seen anything that I like. I usually base butterflies off of 1 hour squeezes and 4 hour squeezes. Really haven't seen much. What else we got? Anybody got questions? I'll stay on here till 8:55. Answer any questions that you guys got. I love answering the questions. So if you guys are confused about anything whatsoever, now is the time to ask. You guys are funny in the Discord. And then, also, if you guys want to trade live with me every single day, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, use affiliate links for anything. Here's the link right here. Bingo. Oh yeah, somebody talked about SPY having a ascending triangle. Where do you see that? Oh, you're talking here? Or just a trend line in general? Yep, there we go. Yeah, we got some nice confluence at these levels. Yeah, I'd probably draw it like this. We have more confluence around like 3. Actually, we're getting pretty close to it now. There's a few levels that we could bounce. This 1 hour 21's at 3, or not 21. The 1 hour trend line is at 382.80. Then 382.27, 380.27. Mental. I don't set hard stops on futures, just mental. Yes, the EMA rules, it's in my book. So again, I talk about all my moving averages, the rules that I use when it comes to them, all in this book right here. Let's see. Both FOMC and JPAL. Don, I tried to pull it up the other day because I wanted to mess with it. I think it went paid. I can't find it anymore. Team Bull Trading, the link is up a little bit, the beacons page. Trading View would be the same indicators that I use on ThinkorSwim. Somebody said there's a possible QQQ 4-hour bear flag. Yes. Like right there. But you gotta look at the bigger picture too. So we're kind of getting mixed signals here. Yeah, I'll send the Discord again. Boom. Let's see. JPAL. That's it. JPAL. Let's see. Any other questions? That FOMC strategy is only used during FOMC. That's it. That's why it's FOMC strategy. Let's see. I mean, we're pricing in a 75 basis point rate hike, so we're more than likely going to get that. Larry, pretty much just the moving averages and the squeeze. That's kind of how I identify, you know, are we strong or are we weak? That's really it. Hey, I appreciate it, Hood Rabbit. Yeah, I just posted a swing trade last week that was small account friendly. It was $110. It went to a high of like 290. I think it almost hit 300. Let's see. But yeah, I think Starbucks. Yes, I'll look at Starbucks. And then I'm going to hop off if nobody else has questions. I don't pay attention to the VIX. The Dixie is so much better than the dip. Oh my God. The VIX. Oh, tongue twister. Sorry, I was thinking about the stock that I'm thinking about swing trading. Starbucks, they report earnings tomorrow. I will go get an iced coffee today from them and see if I can help them beat. But this would be interesting to watch tomorrow if we break above that trend line. Does look good. From a technical standpoint, it looks good. It just, they report earnings, so. But yeah, watch Dixie over VIX. Yeah, sus. Sorry. Super sus. All right. Well, I'm going to hop off. If you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like probably 5-10 minutes. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you guys want to learn more about my new, or not my new strategy, my overall strategy in my new book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to check out my book on Amazon. There's the link right there. Spamming it in the chat so you guys cannot miss it. And then if you guys want to join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, whatever it is, you can find all of that right here. Thank you for the subscribe. Who was it? Soakman 101. Greatly appreciate it. But yeah, everyone have an amazing day. Trade safe, trade smart.